Now let's design the profile page in LinkedIn. I mean, let's improve the design because it's very much simple. We need something like this. So let me click the button here of user profile. So you will see this thing. So it looks much better, much better. But here it's very simple. So let me go to the profile pop-up and remove all of these items. So we don't need, okay, just comment out all of these items in the UL block. Then let me create a common button. So we can say, we can create a folder first. Okay, here in the common, say button, and here let's make index.scss and index.jsx. This file will be of a function component. Make it a button here and remove this div and add a button here. Let's add the title, and the title will come from props. So we can destructure it like this. Now we need to link the CSS file here. I mean SCSS. So import index.scss. Now save this. Come to profile popup.jsx and let me import this button. So import button from this component and add it in the pop-up card. Then let's pass the title as props. Title will be it is view profile. Yes. Save this, click the button here and pop up here. I mean the user icon, and we will have this view profile icon. I mean button. Then let's style the button. So give it a class name of common btn. Now copy the class, come over here, and here we can just say display of flex. Okay, sorry, not here. Instead, we can do it in the pop-up card, in the parent element. So we don't need this, and we don't need this either. Just leave the pop-up options. Here, make display of flex, justify content center, align items center. Now the button will be in center. Perfect. Like this. But we have to like make it big. So make what can we say, width. Let's try 400 pixels. Okay, 300 or 350 or 300 or 200. Okay, common button. Okay, let's just give it a padding 20 pixels. Okay, it's big. So padding should be here, I guess. Yes. Fine. The pop-up is much bigger now, little bit bigger now. And this also. Also, we have some height here. So let's add some height. Say 30px. Yes. The cursor will be of pointed. And let's change the background color to white. Okay. I mean, it's not completely white. Or is it? Just make it white smoke to blend in the color of the pop-up. Yes. Let me remove the border or may change it. So border 1px solid. Let's say this color, the LinkedIn color that we had. So we can just copy it from, I think, login page. Okay, let me go to, where is it? SAS login component. Let me have all these three items. Okay. Okay, what if we paste these items in this index.jsx? Okay, let's now try to use this here. Let's see what happens. Okay, it is not, and it's not defined. So this is main file. Okay, okay, just let me use the color here. I don't want to waste any time. You can just figure it out on your own, I guess. This button is now having a border. Fine. Now the color should be also the same color that we have here, but the border should be, let's say, 2 pixels. Yes. The color is little bit light, I guess. So just make it light here. Okay. Then say color, the same color. Fine. Border radius, 30 pixels. Yes, working. Let's now trigger check the fonts. So just click this, and hover this. So we have this system UI, close one instance. Okay. Font is system UI. So font family system UI. The next thing is font weight 600, size 14px, and the color is this. So let's replace the color. I forgot we can do that. Now let's check. Yes, it's perfect. We have your profile button like this. Let me close the what font. Okay, what happened? I think the screen size was small, like this. Okay, no problem. Fine. Now it's fine. Okay. Now like this, we have this, but also a few items is on here, like the title. I mean this. So let me edit this part here. Fine. So first of all, let me go to the button. I mean not the button. Close this profile pop-up. Then come here. Let me pass this on-click event here. So we can just copy or cut the on-click event from the list and just pass it here. Now in this button, we can also remove and on-click prop, and on the button we can target this. I mean on-click will be of on-click. Now if you click the button, we will be on the profile. We are already in the profile page. So click the button, we will be on the profile page, and it's working like this. Now let me also get these items like title and all, but first we need to update it. Okay. What I mean is, let's see this. We are having name and the headline. So let me edit the headline here. So name will be Nishant Kumar and headline will be this. Click save, and let's show these items here in the pop-up. So we need to get the items first. So let's get it. Okay. So open this API and Firestore API.jsx. Here we have a function get current user, I think. Yes. Let me call it here. So yes. So import get current user. All we need to do is call this function. So let's say here. Okay, we're already calling it here. Sorry, I didn't saw that. Now we also have the state here. So we can just target current user dot, let's say, let me open Firebase. We have the name and the user, I mean name and the headline. So let's just say name here. For now, check what we get. So if you click, we will get the name here, but also we need to arrange them. So let's say a p tag here, a paragraph tag. Then let me just move this here and save. Now in the pop-up card, let me close this. We don't need it. Also don't need this as well. In the pop-up card class, let's come over here and let's make flex deduction as column, and we will have this. Okay, I closed it. Why did I close it? Then we have the headline. So also add one more p tag after this and just say current user dot headline. Save this And now we will have this, but it's breaking. I mean, the width we need to increase of the pop-up card. So better to make the height as auto. Now let's see, we are getting it here. But there's the difference between the designs. If you see here, this should be current user, or just make a class name of name. And here, make the class name of heading or headline. Now in the pop-up card, let's design them both. So the name is in the center. Okay. So let me just click it and check the design for the name. I mean the font for the name. So here we can just write font size 16px. Then color as this color. Wait, can we copy this properly? Yes, this color. Then we have font weight 600, and I think that's all for this. Now close this. Let's check for the other one, for the heading or headline. Let me copy the headline class and add it here. Then let's check for headline. So font size is 14px. So make it 14. Weight is 400. Then color is same. So copy color and add here, and I guess that's all. Yes, save this. Let's try, and it look much better. Let's try the font style. Okay, it's enter. Okay, we can go with enter font. It looks perfect. Yes, I mean it looks great. In the name, let's also add text align as left to make it on the left. It's not going on the left, so I guess we have to make or remove this. No, not this. Align items. Yes, now it's perfect. Then what can we do? We can move the headline at the top. So we can say margin top minus 20px, or let's say 15. Yes, it looks much better. So for now, we don't have the image of the user, but we will add it later. Also, one more thing I noticed is if you hover this button, pop-up button, it is changing the style a little bit. So let me come to button here. I'm in the styling file. Just copy this and say, okay, one time only. Let's say hover. Here we can just copy the background color and the color and the border. I mean three things for styling. So what can we change? Let's check. Okay. The background color, let's make this as a little bit on the dark side, a little bit dark. That will be fine. And this should be dark as well. And then copy the class, I mean color, and just add it here also. Save, and if you hover it, it turns this, but the white is too much gray. Now let's try. Also too much. Just leave it at this. And okay, let's leave it at white smoke and just change the color of the, it doesn't work. So I guess it's fine, but we can also make it a little bit. Yes, it's now perfect. Fine. Okay. If you click view profile from here, from profile, nothing happens because we are already in the profile page. But same way, yes, same way, if we click here, nothing will happen. Also, in the pop-up, the name is at the top. So let's make this here as well. Margin top. Just make not 15, make it minus 10 or 5 or 7, something. Yes. So now we have this like this here. Okay. Now, what to do is fix the profile from here, like the name. Okay, these are fixed. I mean, we have all the items here. Okay. But the name here should be on the top. We have gap here, so this shouldn't be here. So let me also leave it. Okay, fine. Okay. Let's not leave it. Just add the li tag here. And we will have logout option here. We can also add button the same way we added here. But this time this will be of log out text. So we can say log out. Save. Then just copy the on click event on logout and add it here. Remove the list here from here. Save. Now the buttons, or I mean two buttons, are sticking to each other vertically. So we have to make sure for that also, of that also. So let's say margin 10 pixels and 0. Yes. Or not 10, let's say 7. Yes. Fine. Okay. Now what to do? Yes, this headline. So let me come over to the profile pop-up. Okay, not the pop-up. Say profile card. This component here. Let me close pop-ups and this. So here we have username. Let me come to this styling file. So here let's make margin top minus 10 pixels. Yes, now it's in the top. Also we can, okay, I think it's fine. Now see, the button of edit is an icon here. So let me also get the icon from React icons package. So let me search on Google React icons. Okay, so let me copy, I mean get the icon from here. Let me search or first import icon like Firebase at the top. So let's search for icon called edit or pencil. I think pencil. Yes, you can choose any icon here if you want. So let me choose this. It will be from hi/hi. Yes, and the name of the name of the icon is hi outline pencil. So we can just add it here and close this here. Let me copy on click event or best cut it and add it here. Remove the button of edit. Now save the file and we should have this here, but we are not having this here. So let me give it a refresh. I think it is still compiling. Let me view terminal. Yes, now we have this pencil icon here, but also we need to change some designs here as well. For example, add a class name here for edit icon and copy the class, come to this file. So the parent is edit button. So where is it? Yes, we can remove this. Okay, just add a dot for the class. So we will have pointer cursor. Also, when we hover it, we need to see some design. So that we see on LinkedIn. Like, let me show you this. We should see this. So we can just say background color white smoke. Also width 30px, height 30px. Okay, the height of this increases. Okay, I guess what to do. Okay, I think, what is it here? The background color is white smoke. When we hover it, it's not working. I guess let's try some bold color like red and then try. Yes, it's working. Yes. Okay, the thing is we need some padding here. Let's say 5 pixels. Now we have this. If we hover, we will see this. Then padding should be here as well. Yes, working. Or let's make it 3. Yes, that also works. But the color should be not white. Let's say, I mean not red, say white. And let's change the white to some dark color like this. Now you hover, we will see this. But it's circular. So say border radius 50% here. Now we have a circular icon. So make this as 5 itself. Okay. What if we add margin and see what happens here? Also add margin here. Okay, that doesn't work. So what if we make 15? Yes, it's bigger. But 15 is too much. Try 8 something. Let's do trial and error like this. Yes. It's now fine. I guess it is. Okay. Make it 10. Okay, now it will be fine. Yes. Still no, not fine, not fine, not fine. 14. Okay, what is happening? It's not displaying the full icon here. Okay, what if we remove it from here? No, 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 no. Okay, let's leave it at 10. I think it will not work like that. Yes. Okay, fine. So we have the edit icon here, like this. So if we click this, we will be on the edit page. Okay, we don't need to see this for now. Okay. Then what to do is what to do. Okay. Okay. Fine. So if we look edit icon here, we will be on this page. I mean, one modal will open up. But here we don't have a modal. We have one extra page, which is I think this page called edit profile or profile edit. Fine. Then here we need to add the values as well. So get input. So when we are loading the, I mean clicking edit button, the values are not getting populated. So we need to add the value. So just say edit input, for example, add a value here and say edit input dot name. And now if you click edit, the name will be here, but it's not. Okay, go to profile, view profile, click edit, the name is not here. Okay, I guess why. Let me console this. Edit inputs. 1 second. Let's see this. Let me bring it down. Okay, click edit. Okay, it's empty. Why it is empty? This shouldn't be empty. So when we're typing anything, okay, wait a second. The problem is not this. We need to get the inputs. I mean, get all the data from here, like in the user data. So let me open Firebase again, one more time, and get all the data from user here. So basically, I think we already have it. I mean, let me check the profile pop-up. Okay, not this. So what is happening when we're clicking the profile icon here, we are on this page called profile edit. So where we were rendering the page, I mean I think in the profile card. No, not here. Okay, posts card. There was a file, I don't know where is it. Profile edit. Okay, not here either. Profile card. No, not here either. So where is it? I think it's in the profile component. Yes, here. So we're getting the current data of the user and we're passing this in the profile card. So come over to profile card and we're getting it here. Then we need to pass this data where? So It's complicated. I think just we need to call the API of current user to get the data. Maybe. So we need the data in profile edit. This page. Fine. So let me just call the function. Oh, wait a second. I think we have this current user already. So let's check. Let's check. Open the console. Yes. Yes. So all we need to do is just store this current user to this, because then the name will be here and we can change it like this. Then we don't need the console log for now. Remove it and just add the other values as well, like headline. So in the users we are having the headline, so just add headline, and similarly all the other values like company. Then we have this college, so add college, and I think here if we left, this should be location, and I think that's all. Now check here, and location is okay. The problem is we only have the name and the headline, not the location and the other things. So we can try to update. So say Patna, this company and the college. Click save, and the data will be here instantly. Now click this button again of edit. The data will be here, and then we can change it to something like Chennai. Then click save, and it will be changed here as well so quickly. So that's how we did this. Now what is the next thing we need? Okay, so click edit. We have, let's add these items like labels. So for this, let's say label, and it will be first name. Let me copy the first name, and okay, just add the name. We don't need to break it into first name and last name. Then label should be here for this, but it will break because, okay, it will not break. Fine, that's better. Then we have headline, so say headline here. Then we have location, so let me copy and paste labels all over, like this here, and this here. Now here should be college, here should be company, this should be location, and we are fine. But the problem is the margin of the input. So common input, let me check profile edit. Where is this class? Here we are having margin top, margin this, so we can remove this. So make 0, and also remove this from here. Okay, then we don't need this lowest. Let me add margin top -10 or -5 something. Okay, now it looks fine, but 10, what will happen? Yes, this also works. Now let's style the label. So let me close this file. Then label we need to style, so just add the label in the profile edit inputs. So profile edit, here it is, profile edit inputs, let's say label. Font will be system UI as usual. Then all the input fields will be of the same type. Close this and this and this. Okay, what we need is now is the label is done. Okay, the input, so common input. Okay, we needed it again. So here we can just say, okay, the styling is same. Let me okay, what is okay, the thing is the width, the height of the inputs are small, so make it small, shrink it. Now it looks fine. Okay, Also, we can do this as well. So label, okay, fine, it's fine. Like this we have. So let's also add a few more fields here. For example, if you check that we have headline, we are done, we have position, that is done, we have industry, education. So let's also add industry. So they should be before education. I mean, education is this college name. So they should be before education. I mean, the college, sorry. So just copy this and add it, make this as uh, industry. Change all the items here. They should be industry. What is the spelling? Industry. Yes. Here as well. Save this. Now we will have one more for industry, but the data will be empty. I mean, no data, but we will add it in the post method later. Then we have location and city. So let's add the location. So they should be location. Then let's add city. Then here we can add city. They should be city, and here also. Fine. So location instead of location, I mean, okay, I think that's fine. Then we have contact info. Then you can add website. Let's add it here also at the last, which will be called as website. So it's a modal, but we are having a page. So you can change it to modal that can be scrolled automatically. So make this as website also. Fine. We have link. Okay. Let's check this and it's perfect. Fine. Now go back and click edit again, and the other things will be empty like this. So that's is the edit page. Okay. If you come here, I mean, let's also add few more items like about. For example, let me copy this and add one more and just say about, but we won't have the input, we will have text area. So the text area like this, and on change will be of, wait, on change will be of this name, let's say about me, value should be the same for this, I mean edit inputs about me, then placeholder set will be about me. We can remove this and check what we are getting here. So we are getting this. So let's style, okay, add the class name also, common input. Now we will have this. We can change the height and the width, which is called rows and columns. So say rows will be 4 and columns will be also, let's say try 5. Okay, the problem is we can increase it. Let's remove rows and try. Give it a refresh. The problem is the height is, I mean the height of this is default. So we can remove common input and add common text area. Text area. Save. It's not getting big. So make this as rows, I think. Yes, now it's getting big. Now come to the main.scss, I mean this file, and instead of common input, just add called common text area and copy the style, all the things here except the height. Then add it here and we will see this about me, where you can write your about me text. Then you can also add experiences, education, I mean all of the items, skills and all. So if we click skills, edit it, let's see we're getting. Yes, so we can add a skill. So let's also add it here. Last item. So we can just say skills. Then we don't need this, so better to make an input here. Like this. Now save, and let's change the name to skills. Here also in this edit input.website, and it will be fine. Okay, we need to add this as well, these two classes when we are hovering, and one with the placeholder. Save, and now it looks much better. Now what we need to do is add all the keys, I mean all the inputs to the this page. So where we are posting the, I mean updating the post. So open Firestore API page. We have edit profile. Okay, we're sending the payload here directly. So let me check the call. Edit profile. Edit inputs. Yes, I think we don't need to change anything. Just add the location as, okay, wait. Here, make the location to country. Then add it here. And make this as country as well. Here also. Then city, industry, fine. Now save it, and let me just copy my data and paste it here. So this is Chennai area, city, country will be India. Okay, industry will be, what is the industry for me? Let me edit and check. It is, industry is e-learning. Okay, add it. Website, let me add about me. Let me add about me from here. Where is it? This text. Okay, we can add all of these text, or just let me add a few, I mean just small snippet of this. Let me add skills like React, JavaScript, Angular, Firebase, and click save here, and the data will be saved. Now if you click it again, we will see all the data that we saved here populating. Now all we need to do is just show the data here in this page. So come over to the profile card, and here we can see the data, I mean show the data in some data like p tags or at all. So let me go here. So we have name, that this, then we have the location. So let me add location. Okay, it's already here, which is called location. So let me append the location with this. So current user location, let me wrap this in, I mean add one what is it, backticks, the location comma the country. So just copy this and paste it once more. Just make this as country. So okay, the comma will be here, not there. Save. We will have Chennai, India as location. Now we have the link of the website. So let me just copy this and paste it here. Let's leave it at, okay, just make it as website here. Now the key for website is this. Let me try, let me see where I have written that. Where so website, yes, it's website. So let me add this, but we only need website, so just remove the country from here. Now save this, and the website will be here like this. But we don't need to make a p tag here, we need to make it a tag, so that we can click the link and go to the website. So the same thing we can do here. So just make it an href and wrap, I mean copy these things, I mean yes, copy and paste it here. Save, and if you click it, we will be on that page on my website. but we need to redirect on the other tab. So what we have to do is make this. Let me show you what I mean. Let me go to the profile. Okay, we don't see the A tag. What happened now? Okay, now we see it. Fine. So just make target as blank. Save. But let's change the color of the website first. Or let me add the other keys, then we will style everything at once. Okay, this is done. Fine. What else we have here? Let's say about. So let's write the about here. So let me copy the p snippet and write about me. So this should be about, I guess. Yes. So we will have this about me. But the problem is these items on the right is getting shrinked. So we have to change the, okay, we will change it. Do not worry, please. Or we can just move this outside all of the items, which will be here. Okay, not here. After this div. So we will have this. Perfect. Fine. We have a beautiful looking profile card here. Then what did we add here in the profile edit? Yes, skills. So let's render it out. And this will be skills. And here also, which is React, JavaScript, Angular, Firebase. Let me add one more, a p tag, or just write skills here. Okay, so let me, okay, we need a space here. So just type and n b s p and one semicolon like this. Now let's change the styling, or let me just wrap this here in the p tag. Give it a class name of skill label for now. Okay, it breaks the line. Just make this as, or make, okay, make this as span, and also here. Yes, now it's fine. Now come over to this styling file here for profile card, and here we have college, company and all. So let's write the styling here. So but first, okay, let's do this. So what is it? Let me add the styling for the website first. Make this as skills. So website, where is it? This. So we can write it here as well. So we need to change the color. So say color of the text will be blue, which is not here, I guess. Let's try this as, and this. So copy this color or any color from here and just add the color here. But it does not change. What if we make this as important? Important. Okay, let's make it as red and see what happens. Okay, it's not changing. I guess because we have some styling from for a tag in the index that we didn't remove. Okay, it's not here. I guess. Okay. So class is website, class name, but we cannot see the. Okay, I think we need to make background color. Let's try this. Not working. Let me refresh. Because I guess color will work. But it's not working. Why it's not working? Okay, a tag we have. It should work. One more refresh. Let's try. So on undefined, it's true, but Okay, I guess we need to use focus thing or focus. So say website focus, then add this color. Okay, not focus. Let's say a tag. What is it? Let's say a tag. A tag. The name is for a tag. What I am writing, I don't know. Okay. We need to make the just check this here. So website, not focus, say link or not link. I am forgetting the class or the selector here. A track selected CSS. Yes. Yes, it's active. Sometimes I forget myself. It's not working. Let's try. Let me go back or run this. Okay, we have active here. So what is it? What is it? What is it? P active a link. Try a link here. Okay, it's not working. Let's try visited. No, still not working. Over. Still nothing. Active. We did try that. I think let's leave it. It's fine. Okay. Now we have this link here. Okay, just we can do this as well. I forgot that we have this option. So let me select this h1. Sorry, not h1, a tag, and check the color. We don't have any color for this a tag. What is this WebKit link color? Okay, yes, I think let's try this and add this color here, but not on hover. Let me just copy this, go back, so we can say visited. Let me try it here. It's not working. Let's say link, not working. Let's try it here, still not working. I'll leave it. I don't want to waste time for this on this, so it's fine. Now what we have is, so this is done. Now let me click this button called edit, but this button is go back, so let's change it here as well. So we are having go back, but here we are having the X button, so let me do that as well. So this is from the profile edit page. Let me remove the button, or just let me have the this icon. So we can go to this page called React Icons again and just change the icon. I mean add the icon for close. So we can say close. Let's choose this icon from AI. So let me copy this and add it here. And we were using this icon AI. So make this as AI. Now replace the button with this icon and just make on click, go back, save this. Now let's try. We need to increase the size of this, so just make the size to be, let's say 20. Wait a second, 20. Okay, 20 is fine. Let's try 25. Yes, much better. So it works. If you click this, Okay, also let me give it a class name, close icon, and copy the class. Let me come over here, not here, I mean here. Remove the button that we have here. Where is it? We don't have any button, I guess. So just say cursor pointer on this class. If you hover this, the cursor will be changed to pointer. Okay, it's not, I guess, because edit button we have. Okay, let me move it here. Yes, okay, not working, not working. Area button profile card. Okay, let me move it outside, Jai. Then this here. Now it's fine. So just move it. Just add it at the last, not the first. So we have all these items here. We can close this. And if you go to home page, click this Nishant Kumar. We will see all these items. But if you click Nishant Kumar, okay, we have the same user here. And the posts are we getting here. Fine. So that was how we did the, okay, I think we only, okay, wait, it's not over yet. We only did the styling for the A tag. What about these, like about and skills? So just in the skills, the span, wait, the skill label, let me add a styling. Just make it bold. So it's not working, sorry, let's remove it. Just say skill label, font weight as, let's say 600. Not working again. Okay, not in, okay, I think that was the problem. We are having this outside, not in the inside of this right info. It's on the left. So that's why it was not working. So just cut this and paste it outside. Now it's working. Yes, perfect. Fine. So if you remove this, still it will work, I guess. Now we had this skill label. So let's add it here and say font weight 600. Now this will be bolder. Let's change the font. Check the font here. It's enter. So yes, I guess it's fine. So we have this and it's working. Okay, 1 second. This is not working. The country. Where is the country? We don't see it. Location heading. Okay. Location. Current user dot country. Let me edit this. Country is here, but not here. So let me just try to console this. Okay, I guess we made it as country, not location. That's why nothing is here. Yes, now, okay, just rename the location to country here. Where is it? Okay, okay. What's this then? I guess this should be done here as well. Wrap it in a backtick and just then add the country with the location after the location. Now we can see that. Perfect. Fine. So this is our profile page and we have the posts here. We can edit them and save, and then we can go back or just close this. So that was our final profile page for the LinkedIn clone. All right, I don't think we need anything else here for now. Okay, so I think that's fine. We cannot integrate all of the items. You can integrate, but it will only waste my time because they are very simple things. Okay, so I guess that's all for now. If you click the link here, this will be on the new tab, and if you go back, we can still see this. Fine then.